Okay students, in previous class we discussed about reactions of haloalkanes. Now in this class we are going to discuss reactions of haloarenes. Reactions of haloarenes. Okay, reactions of haloarenes. So here haloarenes undergoes three types of reactions: nucleophilic substitution, electrophilic substitution, reaction with the metals. Okay, so here haloarenes undergoes following chemical reactions. Okay, so first one, nucleophilic substitution, and second one, electrophilic substitution, and third one, a reaction with metals. Okay, so haloarenes undergoes following chemical reactions. First one is nucleophilic substitution, next electrophilic substitution, and third one is a reaction with metals. So first one we are going to discuss nucleophilic substitution. Chemical reactions. See, on comparing to haloalkanes, haloarenes less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, see, haloarenes are less reactive than haloalkanes. Haloarenes are less reactive than haloalkanes. Okay, so first one we are going to discuss replacement by hydroxyl group. So first one, replacement by hydroxyl group. Replacement by hydroxyl group. So here I am taking haloarene, that is nothing but a chlorobenzene. It is OH, or you may take here OH. So that is nothing but a haloarene means we have to take chlorine. Okay, so reacts with the sodium hydroxide in presence of 623 kelvins temperature and 300 atmospheres pressure, 623 kelvins temperature, 300 atmospheres of pressure. Then here it can be divided into Na plus OH minus. It is nucleophile. The nucleophile replaces Cl. Okay, see here OH plus Na plus Cl minus NaCl is formed. So here OH replaces Cl minus, so it is nothing but replacement by hydroxyl group. It is called chlorobenzene. It is a phenol. It is a chlorobenzene, it is a phenol. NaCl is out. It is a nucleophilic substitution reactions. So here haloarenes undergoes the following chemical reactions like nucleophilic substitution, electrophilic substitution, reaction with the metals, and next nucleophilic reactions. First one, so haloarenes are less reactive than haloalkanes. So first one, replacement of hydroxyl group. So next here we are going to discuss electrophilic substitution reactions. Second one, so here we are going to discuss electrophilic substitution reaction. The first one, halogenation, we have to discuss. In electrophilic substitution reactions, the first one is halogenation. Okay, so to the haloarenes, adding of halogen in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Okay, so electron density cloud is more at ortho position and para position, so have a chance to attack electrophile at ortho position and at para position. Okay, ortho position and at para position. So here para position attacking compound, and so means if electrophile attacks at para position, that is a major product, and if electrophile attacks at ortho position, that is a minor product. Okay, so here major product and minor product also formed. We are going to discuss with help of example. Halogenation means here we have to take aryl halide. Aryl halide is nothing but a chlorobenzene. I am taking here. See here, chlorobenzene I am taking, adding Cl2 in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it can be divided into Cl plus Cl minus. It is electrophile. The electrophile substitutes at ortho position and para position. So here, if electrophile substitutes at ortho position, so this is the product is formed here, chlorine and chlorine. If electrophile substitutes at para position, plus here chlorine and chlorine is formed. It is major product, it is a minor product. It is a minor product and it is a major product. Name of this molecule is 1,2 dichloro benzene. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. Name of this molecule, numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 4 dichlorobenzene. 1, 4 dichlorobenzene. It is 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. Orthodichlorobenzene. It is also called orthodichloro. It is also called p-dichloro. It is orthodichloro and it is a p-dichloro. Okay. So this is ortho position, orthodichlorobenzene, and it is a para position, p-dichlorobenzene. So it is nothing but a chlorobenzene. It is electrophile. The electrophile substitutes at ortho position and para position. If electrophile substitutes at ortho position, so which forms minor product? If electrophile substitutes at para position, which forms a major product? It is nothing but a halogenation. Halogenation. Next, the second one is nitration. Nitration. So first of all, you have to know what is nitration. The mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 is called nitration mixture. Okay. So here the mixture of concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4 is nitration mixture. Is a nitration mixture. Is nitration mixture. Okay. Is nitration mixture. If you add nitration mixture to haloarenes, then what happened we are going to see. Okay. See here, it is a chlorobenzene, reacts with concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. The concentrated HNO3 can be divided into OH minus plus NO2 plus. It is electrophile. It is a electrophile. The electrophile substitutes at ortho position and para position. So here, if electrophile substitutes at ortho position, if electrophile substitutes at a ortho position, then this type of product is formed, which is a minor. Which is a minor. Okay. If electrophile substitutes at para position, electrophile substitutes at a para position, which is forms a major. Which is forms a major. Okay. So numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is nothing but 1 chloro, 2 nitro benzene. 1 chloro, 2 nitro benzene. 1 chloro, 2 nitro benzene. It's a name. So here numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here also 1 chloro, 4 nitro benzene. 1 chloro, 4 nitro benzene. Okay. 1 chloro, 4 nitro benzene. So here it is nothing but a nitration. It is nothing but a nitration. Okay. Next we have to discuss sulfonation. We have to discuss sulfonation. So these are reactions of haloarenes. haloarenes undergoes following chemical reactions, 3 types. This is nucleophilic substitution, it is electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution, halogenation, nitration discussed. Next, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts reactions we have to discuss. Next, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts reactions we have to discuss. Okay. Then see, it is first one, it is the second one. Next, third one we are going to discuss, that is sulfonation. Sulfonation. So, adding sulfuric acid. So, here H2SO4 if you add, it can be divided into H plus HSO4 minus. H plus HSO4 minus. Here HSO3 OH minus. It will divided into OH minus plus HSO3 plus H2SO4 kada. So, here OH minus HSO3 plus, it is divided like this. So, here it is a electrophile. Okay. So, electrophile attached at ortho position and para position. So, here taking chlorobenzene, adding concentrated H2SO4, then it can be divided into like this. Then here first HSO3 group attached at ortho position HSO3 plus and HSO3 group attached at para position next. Okay. So, see here Cl and HSO3 like this. So, it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is nothing but a, so 2 chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. 2 chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Okay. So, this group is nothing but a sulfonic acid group. This is called sulfonic acid group. So, here it is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is nothing but a 4 chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. 4 chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. So, here it is a main functional group, it is a substituent. So, giving numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 clockwise or anti-clockwise. Here also it is main functional group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, here it will be divided into OH minus and HSO3 plus like this. So, it is a sulfonic acid is formed. Sulfonic acid is formed. Okay. Then Friedel-Crafts reactions we have to discuss. The fourth one is Friedel-Crafts reactions. Friedel-Crafts reactions. Friedel-Crafts reactions. In Friedel-Crafts reactions, two types, alkylation and acylation. See here, A alkylation. Alkylation. Alkylation reaction means adding of CH3Cl. Then it can be divided into CH3 plus Cl minus. It is electrophile here. Okay. Then to the chlorobenzene, if you add CH3Cl, N-primes of anhydrous AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3. Then what happened means, so CH3 electrophile attached to ortho position and para position. So if electrophile attached at ortho position, CH3 is formed, which is minor product, and if electrophile attached at para position, so here CH3 is formed. So alphabetical order we have to follow. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Name of this molecule is 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene. Okay, 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene. One chloro 2 methyl benzene. It is numbering. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here also 1 chloro 4 methyl benzene. If Friedel-Crafts reactions, first one alkylation. Adding of alkyl chloride is nothing but a alkylation. Okay. Then second one, then here it is A. Next bit is B, acylation. Acylation means adding of acid chloride, acyl chloride. So it is a CH3COCl. If you add, it can be divided into CH3CO plus Cl minus. It is electrophile. Electrophile substitutes at ortho position and para position of haloarine. So here I am taking haloarine, chlorine. So CH3COCl, N-primes of anhydrous AlCl3, then CH3CO, acyl group substituted at ortho position and para position. So here CH3, here CO, CH3 plus here Cl, okay, here CO, CH3, okay, which is main functional group means it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2 chloro aceto, 2 chloro acetophenone. Why? Because it is a ARCOR, ketone group. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is 4 chloro acetophenone, 4 chloro phenone. Okay, so this is the way two products are formed. It is a alkylation, it is a acylation. Okay, so these are reactions of haloarenes, two reactions, nucleophilic and electrophilic. Tomorrow we will discuss reaction with the metals, reaction with the metals. Okay, so this is reactions of haloarenes. These two are very important. Friedel-Crafts reactions and sulfonation also very important, and nitration also very important. So here electrophilic reactions of haloarenes is very important. Okay.